Hey guys, well that day has finally come. We are going to be scrapping the Cadillac today. The electrical's been taken out, the roll cage is out, got all of our fuel components and battery, everything, all that's all out. So it's ready to haul off to scrap. It was just too far gone to run again, just was not safe. We would only have gotten maybe a couple more hits out of it. I mean, I was limping at the end of that heat anyway. So it's time to go off for some scrap metal and get our money back. So we got the car on the trailer here. Got the old transmission out of Mercury. Got some old batteries and some wiring in there we're going to take back and get some money for. You guys have already seen this car, the aftermath, and then this guy's sitting up here on blocks. Got the wheels off of it. Again, got it cleaned out. Got a whole bunch of other miscellaneous metal. There's the oil pan out of the Mercury too. So, just gonna take it here, get some scrap metal price for it, and bid it a fair adieu. Thank you for the good times, and on to the next derby car pretty much. I'm gonna try to get some video footage of it actually getting lifted off the trailer. It's pretty cool. This place has a nice big crane. They basically pick it up, kind of like a game here. You just pick it up by a crane, just pick it right up and move it. So, pretty cool. We got her up here loaded, and here we go. There she goes. So easy. I know, it's awesome. Took me 15 minutes to do that much damage. You just did it in 10 seconds. It's working hard. Here we go. Part of the scrap pile.